want to know what's going on in the immigration law world? Well, this video is for you. My name is Jorge Molina. I'm a board-certified immigration attorney based in Dallas, Fort Worth, and serving clients worldwide. And today, we're going to be talking about something very important in the immigration world, and that is corruption. I cannot believe that in 2025, we're talking about corruption in the United States. And not only that, but it is so apparent that I'm going to do a whole series about corruption and the perception of corruption. Now, before I go into more details, we're going to start at the very top, okay? I do want to premise this. Now, this is not directed to some, fine people that are professionals. These are career professionals at the Department of Homeland Security and some other agencies within the government. I can tell you, I'm not going to share her name. I remember this attorney for the government that heard a guard just use extremely vulgar language. And she was so offended by this that she made sure that that person did not work for the government any longer. So those sort of people, I am not questioning their ethics, their integrity, their motivation. But quite frankly, things have changed dramatically. And this is why, right? We need to start at the very top. So right now we have Mr. Holman, who was under an FBI investigation that there were documents showing that he took a $50,000 bribe from undercover agents to secure contracts by the Trump administration. Now, if that's the guy heading and leading the organization, you can only imagine what follows, right? Everything starts at the top. Like President Truman used to say, the buck stops with me. The buck stops here, right? You're accountable for that as the leader. So that's what we have right now. The leader of ICE was involved in a investigation, a sting operation by the FBI, taking $50,000. Of course, he denies it. But just the fact that we have this and then the DOJ has to cover that up is just a sign of the times. Folks, if you like this video, hit like, subscribe. By the way, if you notice something that you think that is corrupt or it smells of corruption or something just doesn't add up, you can reach out to us, or you can reach out to your U.S. representative or senator. Not that it will make much difference right now, but sooner or later, this long nightmare needs to end. Thank you.